Hello everyone. From today onwards, we are going to solve the problems on the concept of number system. In this video, we will cover 5 types of problems on the concept of number system. See the first question. Find the difference between local value and face value of 6 in the numeral of 586723. So, the given data is 586723. In that, we have to find local value and face value of 6, and again we have to calculate difference between local value and face value of 6. So, let us write the given data. What they have given? They have given the number 586723. In that, you have to find local value and face value. So, let us calculate local value. Local value of what? 6. So, to calculate the local value, first see the position of 6. So, units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So, 6 is in thousands place. So, multiply 6 into 1000. You will get place value of 6. So, the local value of 6 is 6000. Face value of 6. Whenever you want to find the face value of any number, then the number itself we call it as face value. So here the face value of 6 is 6 itself. So here you have to find the difference between local value and face value. That means you have to subtract 6 from 6000. 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 9, 5. 5994 is the difference between local value and face value of 6. I hope you understood how to calculate the difference between local value and face value of any number. One thing you should remember, local value is nothing but place value. Local value is also called as place value. So remember this. The next question. Find the place value of 7 in 634721. I said place value is nothing but local value. So let us write the given data. They have given the number 634721. What you have to find? Place value. Place value of what? 7. So, you know very well how to find the place value of 7. So, 634721. Check the position of 7. So, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 7 is in hundreds place, so multiply 7 into 100, that is equal to 700. That is the place value of 7. So the place value of 7 is 700. That is nothing but local value of 7. The third question, find the difference between place values of 8 in the numeral of 6283481. So the given data, the given number is 6283481. So what we have to find? Difference between place values of 8. That means you have 8 two times. Observe the question. The given number is having 8 two times. So here you have to find the place value of first 8 and the place value of second 8. And again you have to find the difference between these two place values. Let's calculate the first place value of 8. First check the position of 8. 8 is in 10 power 4. That means 8 is in 10,000's place. Multiply 8 into 10,000. That is equal to 80,000. 80,000 is the first place value of 8. And the second place value? Second place value of 8 is in 10 power 1, that is in tens place. So 8 into 10, 80. You have the first place value of 8 and second place value of 8. Then you have to find the difference between place values of two 8s. Subtract 80 from 80,000, then you will get the difference. 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 9, 9, 7. 799920 is the difference between place values of 8. Next one, find the unit digit of 7 power 105. So given number is 7 power 105. Here you have to find unit digit of x power n. This is in the form of x power n. Here x is 7 and n is 105. Here you have to find the units place of 7 power n. So let us check the few powers of 7. 7 power 1 units place is 1, 7 square units place is 9, 7 cube units place is 3, 7 power 4 units place is 1. 7 power 5 units place is 7, 7 power 6 units place is 9, 7 power 7 units place is 3, 7 power 8 units place is 1. That means every 4 numbers the same cycle is repeating 7931. So whenever you want to find the units place of 7, if the power is anything, divide the power with 4. So why? Because we are dividing with 4, because the same cycle 7931 is repeating for every 4 numbers. So whenever you want to find the units place of 7, you should remember this table 7931. And the power 7 power 1 7, 7 square 9, 7 cube 3, 7 power 4 1. These are the units place of these 4 numbers. If you remember these 4 numbers, it is easy to find the units place of for any power. So here divide the 105 with 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 2, 5, 4 6 are 24, remainder is 1. Here you got the remainder 1, so let us compare the units place of 7 power 1. 7 power 1 units place is 7, so 7 power 105 units place is also 7. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 7 power n. The first step is divide the power n with 4. And compare the remainder with first 4 numbers. If the remainder is 1, the units place will be 7. If the remainder is 2, the units place will be 9. If the remainder is 3, the units place must be 3. If the remainder is 0, the units place is 1. You never get 4 because you are dividing with 4. Even you got remainder 4, 4 ones are 4, you will get 0. So whenever you got the remainder 0, you have to compare the 7 power 4. 7 power 4 units place is 1. That means you have to consider the remainder 0. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 7 power n. The next question. Find the unit digit of 3 power 65 into 6 power 59 into 7 power 71. That means when you multiply these 3, what will be the units place? To calculate the units place, you need to multiply these 3. 3 power 65 into 6 power 59 into 7 power 71. Here you have to find the units place. So consider the units place of 3 power 65, 6 power 59, 7 power 71. So the first one 3 power 65. When you want to find the units place of 3 power 65, that means x power n. Here x is 3, n is 65. So same thing here. 3 power 1 units place is 3, 3 square units place is 9, 3 cube units place is 7, 3 power 4 units place is 1. The same thing will be repeating for every 4 numbers. So divide the 65 with 4. 4 16s are 64. Remainder is 1. So 3 power 1 units place is 3. 3 power 65 units place is also 3. Next, consider the 6 power 59 units place. You know very well, when you multiply 6 n number of times, power can be anything. The units place must be 6. Why? Because you multiply 6 n number of times, again you got same answer 6 in units place. So next one 7 power 71. So here you have to consider the table. First 4 powers. 7 power 1 units place will be 7. 7 square units place will be 9. 7 cube units place will be 3. 7 power 4 units place will be 1. So the same thing is repeating for every 4 numbers. Divide the power 71 with 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 1. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder is 3. Here you got the remainder 3. Let us check the 7 power 3 units place. 7 power 3 units place is 3. So 7 power 71 units place is also 3. So finally you got the unit digits of 3 power 65, 6 power 59, 7 power 71. So multiply the unit digits of 3. 3 power 65 units place is 3, 6 power 59 units place is 6, and 7 power 71 units place is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 6 are 54. Again you got 2 digits. Here they have asked only unit digit. So consider only unit digit, that is 4. The final answer is 4. The unit digit of 3 power 65 into 6 power 59 into 7 power 71 is 4. I hope you understood how to find the unit digit of 3 power 65 into 6 power 59 into 7 power 71. I hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.